Hi there! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, do you need to know how to swim to kayak? We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post go to the link below. So let's dive in. Kayaking is a popular water activity that people of all ages and abilities can enjoy. However, before you head out on the water in your kayak, it's important to know some basic safety tips. One of the most burning matters for most kayak beginners is the lack of skills in how to swim. Do you need to know how to swim to kayak? In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1, before getting down to water. Number 2, best type of waters. Number 3, swimming skill and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.